All right, so I just got a titanium exhaust for the R32. Just ran into an issue. I'm not going to tell you what company it is, but they pre-installed the silencer for me. I'm assuming they did it while the titanium was still hot, because when they put the silencer in while it was hot, it cools, therefore it contracts, and well, now the silencer's stuck in there, and it's almost impossible to get out with tools. There's like nothing to grab onto. I don't want to hammer anything because I'll fuck up the titanium finish. So, got to get creative. Best way I do it, get a lifting strap, get yourself a shackle that will fit through the exhaust, but will not fit through the silencer outlet. And then basically you kind of use it like a, I don't know, a slide hammer maybe? I don't even know. It's kind of barbaric, I know, but without sending it back and having to deal with the coronavirus mailing, which will take like 3 years for you to get another exhaust without the silencer in it, I'm just gonna do it myself. So we're gonna pull this through, and we're just gonna keep basically banging the back of that shackle against the inside of that silencer. And you can see it's already working. We're getting close, because before it was like a good 2 inches in there. So I don't know, just a tip if anyone's having the same problems I'm having with any exhaust, old or new, getting the silencer out can be a bitch, especially when there's nothing to grab onto. And yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, it's more like it. That's how it should have came. And the silencer should be optional, company that will remain unnamed. This is what I'm kind of talking about. So I pretty much would stand the exhaust up on preferably not the concrete floor, maybe on a shirt or something, so you don't scratch the flange or the beautiful face of the titanium exhaust. Anyways, yeah, basically just drop this in and yank it out and just keep banging it over and over until eventually it pops out. Just watch your face so you don't, you know, punch yourself in the face or lose a windshield. So there it is, pure garbage. Oh, this thing's gonna sing now.